view, guys. Hey guys, this is Massimo from Aosta Valley Freeride. Today I'm in Pila, heading to one of my favorite trails. One of the most scenic lineup up here. A full 360 degrees around Mont Blanc, Grand Comben and even the Matterhorn. Even if it's a popular place, it never gets old. Actually, from up here I can see my house downtown in Aosta, 2,500 meters below. That's why every time I ride up here it feels like be home and away at the same time. Alright, enough talking. Let's go ride the famous ridgeline in Pila. Look at the view, guys. First part of the descent here. Little bit rocky, not much. Playful. Super enjoy. Okay, guys. So after the ridgeline, there is a sort of connection, and then you can decide if you prefer ride some more enduro style trail or the fully new flow trail that takes you down from the Couis to the Pila resort. I will probably choose to ride the enduro trail. Let's have a look. Here we go. So I'm on one of the new enduro trails. They take you down from the Couis to. It's really nice and playful. So if you have an e-bike, you can ride this trail from end of June to mid-November normally, because the trail is open even if the resort is not. So this is a nice look at the colors. It's not crowded at all. It's actually October here when I'm filming, and the colors are ridiculous, so beautiful. Nice little traverse. They take you us in another part of the resort. All right, now we are connected to another trail. Woo! So guys, this was my ride for today, the high ridge in Pila. I'm still up here, so if you know Pila, just remember that the resort built a lot of new lines, enduro lines, flow lines, so even from here to reach down Aosta, you can choose different ways, the famous rientro or a natural trail. There are many options, so for all the levels is a perfect place to be. And if you don't know where to go, remember, contact Aosta Valley Freeride. Ciao.